Weka mikono wako.
Tiger Mafia. Super kicker. What's happening? Around.
What's up, people? Today I'll be showing you how to level up your beats so that you can finally impress your crush and finally get some of that good if you know what I mean. The first tip to get your beats to hit harder than my uncle when he's drunk is to add ambience and other effects in order to add variety and depth and to also help your track flow smoothly. Just like my pickup game when I've had a bit too much to drink.
Did you fart? Because you just blew me away. Can I have your number?
You gotta check out my brand.
Oh.
MK.
Let's add some ambience to help add some character to the beat. The second tip to get beats that hit harder than your girl cheating on you is to add a vocal layer for a more natural feel. Because natural is always better than silicon if you know what I mean.
Nice.
Oh yes baby, that is what I like. The third tip to get your beats to hit harder than a terrorist attack is to create a catchy lead and pick a sound that keeps listeners engaged. Just like me having to work to keep women interested in me every time I go out.
Government must do more to restore the dignity of our people. As the adage says, you give a poor man a fish and you feed him for a day. You teach him to fish. You give him, and no.
The fourth and final tip for today to get your drums to hit harder than my father when he's drunk is to compress your kick to your 808 or bass in order to control dynamics and add punch.